Hi, hello. I've had too much to drink and I've got the hiccups, which almost never happens when I drink wine. I don't know. I don't know why it's happened today. I've I've been watching this animatic of like a whole bunch of D&D creatures. It's by Ava Fig. I don't know how to pronounce it. Fig Figuero Figuero Roa. Um, she's uploaded it on Instagram. It's really good. I've watched it like 30 times. That's what I spent my morning doing. By morning, I mean evening, because my sleeping is very silly. I wish I didn't have to be all hiccupy. My god. I managed to make some doctor's appointments today. Yay! I did something useful, like productive or whatever. Um, I played a computer game with someone that was a friend of mine, and that was fun. I very rarely do that. It was nice. It's good. Um, Today's been okay, apart from the hiccups. I could do without the hiccups, just in general. Uh, yeah, I don't know. They're okay at the moment. I took some rubbish out. I did some productive things, and I had a decent time with media and with computer games. Yeah, it was okay. Okay day. All right.